Today I'm going to be talking about my assignment, my project 1. Let's just jump right into it. Starting off, we have, of course, the XY positions, XYZ positions. Now you can manually put in whatever distance on the plane you want to put it to. And it will automatically calculate the arm length, rotation angle, and the lift angle for positions. After that, you can save it to whatever position you want to. The way that I have this set up is there are 4 different positions that you can save. You can make them all the same if you want, or if you're trying to figure out what the best position is, for whatever reason, you can use this calculator for that. I'll just make the last 2 the same. The other features that I have added to this is, of course, a clear all, which just gets rid of all the 4 saved positions that you have, in case you need to restart or anything. I'm just going to set them all back up again here. As you can see, they're all color coordinated. I'll go through that in the code afterwards, based on the color of the arrow. And also, when I do click on one to add it, this clear position pops up. So you won't see that until I actually click that position. Position 1, that comes up. Now you know you can clear just that specific position by clicking the arrow beside it. Alright, let's move along to the code. So the code, I have 4 macros set, each to save a specific position, with a time to position, is not something that I went through. That's something else that I've added here. I just use a constant based on a random speed that I made up for the arm movement to get to length. And I'll go over that when I get there. So time to position is equal to the arm length and the arm speed. The arm speed being the constant as double. I'm set it to 19.6 millimeters per second. Alright, to continue on, in all of the macros I set the global variable X, Y, and Z position to B4, B5, and B6, which is where you're plugging in all 3 of your inputs. And then, of course, I have a section for all 4 of the save macros to input the data based on X, Y, Z positions and the calculations. And then I also have the text that's added to the cell beside the arrow to clear that row in here as well. Now, of course, I had to format the cells so that they would disappear and appear when you save the cell, when you save the position, so it would come up as the same color as the arrow itself. For that, I have just set up the interior color on the RGB scale based on what the RGB scale was of that arrow, so it matched up perfectly for all 4 of the macros. The font color, of course, I just made white and black. For the 3rd and 4th one, it's 250, 255, 255, 255. And then, of course, for the 2nd and 1st one, we have, it's just set to white. Alright, after the 4 save macros, we have a bunch of very simple ones. These are just the clear ones. dot clear literally clears all formatting and information from a cell. So I just put in the range that I need to for the clear macro. This is clear all, so it just gets rid of all 4 of them. And then clear 1, 2, 3, 4 is obviously for the 4 different positions where I have the range just on that row. That pretty much wraps everything up that I need to talk about. Thank you.